Welcome back to The Hub today. So whether you're heading to the park, the beach, or a special summer event, a great picnic is about more than just the food that you bring, though that does have to be delicious. Right. It's about who you're with.
We have some good company right now. But
we do.
This Saturday, over 1,000 people will gather at a secret location for the 10th anniversary of Dîner on Blanc Boston.
And maybe you're heading there, or maybe you're planning your own summer picnic. Either way, hosts Ashley McGowan and Meredith,
yes,
Tuit are here with us. It's like there's a different name in the prompter. With their best packing tips for us, ladies. If any picnic I go to looks like this, I'm sold.
Seriously. So hopefully I don't plan it.
You know, but imagine, look, all of that came in this little picnic bag.
I love it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So how'd you do it? What are the basics? What do we need to know?
Honestly, you want to keep everything simple.
Okay.
And you can keep it simple and still elevate your meal. So when you think about a picnic, you want to have, an appetizer or salads. Charcuterie is always a big one as well. And then little sandwiches are really good as well. So really just kind of hone in on your meal. Again, when you keep it simple, you'll be surprised at how amazing that meal can be.
Absolutely. How, in the summer, it's hot. It's been really hot this summer. What are some foods that you love, like the charcuterie that withstand the heat?
Absolutely. So yes, the charcuterie is perfect. It's something that you can easily put together and make. Right here, we're featuring one from our catering partner, Cured. They're a local business out of Beacon Hill, and they put together amazing boxes for anywhere from one single person to 2 to 3 and up. So you can just go into the store, order a charcuterie, and then walk over to the park for a beautiful picnic.
Exactly.
Amazing.
Meredith, I know you focus on design specifically for this event. What are some little things that can really bring that wow factor to the audience?
The wow is basically your tablescape, how you set it up. I did a little bit more designer in the tablecloth, not as much as I would do. I would do a little bit more glitz to it, right?
I mean, this is glitz already. Right, exactly.
Right, and can you imagine? You never know. You have like your centerpiece, and you're just going out with some friends, and you want it upscale a little bit. It's like a wreath ring. You do little florals. In between is a vase with fresh flowers in it, right? So it gives you a little oomph to your table, right? And of course, you don't have to have regular bowls and plates for your salads. So you have So your salad could be in something a little upscale. It could be fruit salad. It could be. So when you're doing your tablescape, you're trying to think of how you want to elevate it. So you have your placemat, you have your charger, you have your plates and your bowls. Of course, you have your flatware. And don't forget the most important thing on the table, your stemware, right? And of course, your dinner napkin.
Keep it clean, especially when you're wearing white.
Right?
And everyone will be wearing white this weekend at the event. This is the 10th year here in Boston. And it's a secret location. We're curious why.
Well, when it was created initially, when they started over in France, everyone wanted to have something a little upscale, had the picnic, but they wanted to put a little something to it, right? So they told their friends to meet up at this one location, and they walked them to the area where they were going to have it. So that little, mystery to it,
It's like an exclusivity, VIP, like, I know something you don't know.
Right, exactly.
I love
so it helps.
That's amazing. Very quickly, what are you most looking forward to this weekend?
We are looking forward to getting together with 1,000 people, all from Boston. And so it is our opportunity to, one, build that community and just have an amazing dinner together. And obviously, the napkin wave.
The napkin wave is a magical part of the evening.
The napkin wave.
We can do one of those.
We can do it now.
So make sure you get your tickets this Saturday, July 25th. You can head to their website, dineronblanc.com, and just drop down to find Boston, or just use that website below.
Well,
make sure you show up.
I was going to say, and bring your, you don't need to bring your napkin. You can just. All right, ladies, thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.